In this dashboard, we got two crosstabs designed by the default theme. Now, if we go into design mode and look at the crosstab styling options, we got our themes right here. Now, to change something in this theme, you do it by select some of the theme items in this sample. So, for instance, clicking column label 1, that would correspond to my 2022 column label up there. Now I can go change maybe the font here. So if I just want a different font color, I can just go here and pick it and click OK on this. And we can see that it's being applied not over here, but in our sample. Now my column label 2, that'll be my quarter labels or alternating column labels. And I probably need to make sure that I use the same color for those column labels. Likewise, you will or you can change the formatting for your data rows, selected rows, text rows, for your cells, etc. Actually, everything in this sample here can be clicked to be changed. So if I do a data row 1 here and change the background this, a light blue background. Now, having done that, that'll apply to like Denmark, Germany, etc. You can see it's by default light gray, but now I would like to change it. And also I need to do it for my cells on these rows. Let's have a look into the selected row colors. Maybe also here I would like to turn it into this kind of blue theme. So for both these selected row 1 and 2, let's do the blue background. Right, having done that, clicking OK. Of course, that will apply directly to the current crosstab. And you can also see the selected colors here on the darker blue one. So this seems to be working quite all right. This theme, if I go into my crosstab stylings, I would like to apply it to my other crosstab. But before I can do that, I'll need to make sure that this theme is stored. So give it a proper name here. I'll just call it my blue theme and store it. So now it's on my list on the right hand side as the blue theme over here. All right, and now I can, for the other crosstab, go into crosstab styling, themes, and simply apply the stored theme by clicking here. So now I've got two crosstabs using the blue theme. If at some point I would like to change it, I could go back to one of these using the theme and then start updating the theme. Maybe we would like to change the background color, maybe into a more green background color like this. Now, the important thing here is that you need to update your stored theme. So just click this button. Now it's been updated, and it will of course apply to my first crosstab, but also to the other crosstab because that also originally used the blue theme. Now suppose that the current blue theme should actually be used as a default for any new crosstabs. So going back to my theme options, the blue theme, I can now right click this and make sure that this one is the default theme. Notice the check mark here at the other one. Now use as default, it gets the check mark as the default theme. So in case I would need to, let's say, create a new crosstab, I'll just do a brand new dashboard for this and create a new crosstab. I'll just put it to the same size as the other two, zoom 1.5. But I'll be adding a measure, revenue, profit margin, and let's do it together with my salesperson names. And once I fetch data, you can see that it's actually using the new default theme.